Shoppers, we've got a light. It is easy to put together. It actually comes in a small box, but it's easy to put together. It has storage. It has plug-ins for devices, USB ports up here on this shelf. And it has a regular plug. So store your devices. It has these lips right there to put your devices or your phone. You've obviously got the shelves, and then the light is just a pull cord. So use a regular bulb, put a smart bulb in it. Again, it's very elegant, nice, functional. Charging devices, looks good, easy to put together.